So, hello, I just wanted to show a quick unboxing video. Basically, I received this box from RS Components for receiving an award for the Electronics Weekly BrightSparks Engineering Award. And so, I actually received this box in May, I believe. So, I know it's July, but basically I've got so busy. I was planning to film this and open it at the same time, but I got so busy I just completely forgot about it until this weekend when I was reminded of it. So I'm just gonna do a really quick unboxing, otherwise I will never ever get it done. So let's get started. So I actually tore off my address and tried to black out whatever I can so that I can open the box the right way up. I have no idea, by the way, what's in this box. I was just told that I would be receiving a goodie bag, and this box is absolutely massive. Right? Hi. Oh my god. I hope this is still valid. Oop. I don't know if I'm supposed to show the code, but really it's not that big a deal. Design Spark badge. I hope this is still valid because I've not had the time. And wow, let's see. Present around the world. Don't know if this is still valid as well because I am like the worst person. Sorry, I'm just reading this as I go. So okay, it doesn't seem to have a date when... Aha! I was kinda actually looking out for one of these, and I'm really happy. Like, one of these costs about £30, which is a lot to me, so I'm actually really happy to get one of these. And this is the new model, so that's good. Ooh, surprise mini box. Oh, I'm really bad. So I'm supposed to look at one thing and be like, ooh, what's this? But then I just noticed the power bank over there, and I'm like, yes, I could do with another power bank. How powerful is this boy? It looks really good. Shall we open it up? It's 8,400, which is pretty good. I'm gonna open it because it's cool. So I was actually hoping to record this in like 3 minutes so that I can upload it to Twitter, but I do not think that that's gonna happen just because there's a lot of stuff in here. And that's the cable for it. A little booklet that I'll probably never read because I'm that kind of person. Oh man, this feels so good, and it's tiny. It's amazing. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my goodness, it even has a number that shows the percentage. Very good. Comes with a little cable. I'm very pleased. I really like this very, very much. Thank you. Now let's look at this little box that has nothing written on it. Oh no, it's another power supply, I think. Not a portable charger. I just throw these things in here, don't I? No. Sorry, I have no idea what this button does. It lights up though. Oh, I think it shows like the number, the percentage of the battery. So now, you can see that's 1 bar. Maybe there should be more. Again, another power supply. Comes with a cable. Put that aside. Now this. Oh mate, this is insane. This is like one of the most rugged, I don't know why I say rugged, but it's one of the most rugged tools I probably own now. Looks intense, and I will have to learn how to use this because it looks like there is a lot going on. I'm the kind of person who uses a multimeter just to check if the voltage or the current is flowing, and then that's it. But I think I need to learn what this means. Yeah, but super cool. Thank you very much. Next. Okay, some little stationery by Harting. You can see it. Let's do a little focusing. Focus. Oh. Just so you know, I got a new phone, so I don't know what I'm doing. There you go. Don't know who they are, sorry. But, I will look you up. Thank you. Oh, no way! Okay, this is so cute. I really like this. Is this actually a bottle opener? I believe it is. It looks like a bottle opener. That's wicked. That is so wicked. Love the size. Amazing. I'm gonna put it on my bunch of keys. Oh, and here we have, again, by Harting. I think the little power portable battery was also by Harting. Some jelly beans. What is this? Oh, from the IET. It's a little torch. How do I turn this on? Oh, okay. There we go. Pew. Very cute. Ooh. And I dropped that, but that's fine. Don't need it. What else have we gotten? Oh, we have. No way. By Wera. Wera is like, it's really good. I really like this. I already like this. Thank you. Thank you so much. This looks so cool. Just waiting for my camera to focus. Maybe this might help. Yeah, I'm not doing a good job, am I? Let me put that pen down. So anyway, this is a Phillips screw by Wera. It looks amazing. I'm very happy. I really like it. Oh yeah. So another design spark USB. These have been so useful. I use them on the microscope, and I'm on the microscope. If you know me, I complain about it all the time, every single day, so it's kind of a big deal to me. A nice sticky pad with another design spark pen, and a third pen by RS Components. Yeah, there we go. Nice and sharp focusing. Now, where did that go again? I really need to figure out this camera. There we go. Nice. Okay, now to find out what's in this RS Components bag. No. No. Sorry. As I said earlier, you know, I get distracted. But, no way. It's a screwdriver set. A whole set. No. It's amazing. Comes with a little stand. I'm very impressed. Shall we take this out and set it up? Let's do it. Please excuse me. What am I doing? I don't think there's anything else in here. No, there isn't. Let's try to set this up. Looks pretty wicked. That is not how it looks like in the photo, but I will figure it out. And that looks pretty amazing, doesn't it? It is pretty cool. Let's get the RS the right way up. Nice. Very nice. Oh, very, very nice. Alright. And that's that. Pop that back. Real nice. And now let's open up and check out what's in this bag. Oh, that's cute. 40 inspired. And then what else is in here? A little RS Components notebook. Another pen by RS. And what else? Lastly, a little keychain. Super cute. I'm gonna like try to stick something in here that's like Konnichiwa kitty. But that was really fun. Thank you so much for the gifts. It is amazing. And actually a lot of these things I don't already have because I'm a little bit stingy with when it comes to things like tools, and so I haven't got very good ones, and so I'm very, very, very happy to receive these gifts. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing.